Greetings to you all. In this video, I am going to teach you about human evolution from unit to history. We have already learned what is history and prehistory, what is sources and the kinds of sources, isn't it? What is history? History is the study of the past events in chronological order. The word history is derived from the word historia. Historia means learning and inquiry. Isn't it, ma'am? Okay, now we are going to see about the stage of human evolution. What is the meaning of evolution? Evolution means the process in which humankind changes and develops into an advanced stage. Just imagine, we are going to visit a science center. The science center, there is a time machine. What is time machine? Time machine is a machine which helps us to travel to our past and future. We are going to travel in the time machine. We are going to travel to the past. So, press the button 1950 CE, which will take us to the past. In 1950 CE, we can see the human mostly walking, a few riding bicycles, and buses appearing rarely on the roads. We are excited to see the human being who lead a simple life. So, we are eager to know about the people who lived in 1850s also. We press the button to 1850 CE. There were no buses or cycles. Carts pulled by mules and bullocks were seen on the roads. What is the meaning of mules? Mules means a male donkey or a female horse. Horse-drawn cart was a rare occurrence. Here the life of people was even simpler. By seeing their lifestyle, we are more excited to know more about the people who lived 8,000 years ago. At that time, people were engaged in crop cultivation and livestock. We are really shocked to see those people without any technology. So we are much more eager to know about people who lived 80,000 years ago. At those periods, the humans were living in caves. They are using the tools made up of stones and bones for hunting. Then we pressed 2020 AD button and came to present. Here we can see two motorbikes in each house and a car in each house. Now we can understand how we are developed within these 18,000 years. Now I am going to explain the lesson evolution of humans. Are you ready to listen to the class? Okay. Students, do you know what is an anthropologist? Do you have any idea about it? Anthropologist means having the unearthed the footprints of humans in a country called Tanzania, which is in Eastern Africa. They were found in rock beds submerged under the sand. The story of human evolution can be scientifically studied with the help of archaeology and anthropology. Archaeology is the study of prehistoric human remained materials used by prehistoric humans, excavated material, Remains are the main source for archaeological studies. Now I am going to explain the various stages of human evolution. There are 6 stages of human evolution. First stage is Australopithecus. Australopithecus between 4 million and 2 million years. The second stage is Homo habilis. Homo habilis between 2.3 and 1.4 million years. The third stage is Homo erectus. Homo erectus approximately 1.8 million years ago. The fourth stage is Neanderthal. Neanderthal between 1,30,000 and 40,000 years. The fifth stage is Homo sapiens 3 lakhs years ago. The sixth stage is Cro-Magnons, the present man 50,000 years ago in Eastern Africa and 40,000 years ago in West Asia and in Southeastern Europe. Let me explain more about this lesson in the next part. So, thank you dear children. Learn well, do well.